Hi guys, uh, this is the gaming chair I got a couple of days ago. This is by a brand called SmugDesk, and they're really good. I looked it up online on Amazon. They have really good reviews, and I received it like a couple of days ago. The it came in a really huge box. It was like easy to build up. It took me around 30 minutes, I guess, and my friend also kind of helped me up to assemble. So it had like several pieces, like this was a single piece, this one armrest and the wheels and the legs. So and it is made up of really high quality material. You can see these are like stainless steel. They're kind of really solid. The wheels are also pretty strong and sturdy. And look at the leather. So this leather is faux leather. It's a really good cushioning to sit, and also they have kind of like a pattern in between of threading, and they're kind of really sturdy and soft as well at the same time. And you can see this looks pretty slick. It's really has a really good look. Also it's height adjustable, so here is a lever. You can pull up and increase the height or decrease it according to your needs. And also it has an armrest, which is like, either if you don't want the handrest, you can take it out, like, then if you want, like, halfway there, you can make it halfway or completely. And the seats are padded, so it has really soft feeling. At the same, it's not too soft, so it's like has really good support as well. So this is how it looks from the back. Also it has a rocking option, so you can sit on it and kind of rock and have a bit of a fun as well when you're working for a long day, or when you're gaming. You need that kind of function, especially since everybody is working or studying from home. This kind of having this kind of chair really helps. This is my like old chair, the one I had. This was soft, but it didn't have that lumbar support, and also it didn't have that rocking option. And as you can see, the armrest is also pretty bound to it, so you can't make any adjustments. But this is kind of really opposite, and it has really good lumbar support to your back, so you don't feel much of back pain when you're using it for a long time. And also it has another surprising, my one of my favorite function, which is like massage feature. If you go on back, you can just reach out, and it has a cord with USB A port, and it takes less power as well. You can just plug it to your phone adapter, and once you do that, this part of the chair will start vibrating and give you kind of like lower back massage. And if you're sitting in a chair for a really long time, you kind of need that, otherwise your muscles kind of feel stuck, or feels tightens. This kind of solves that problem. And the massaging feature is really good. I really appreciate them putting into this package actually. Also when you sit on it, like you don't run hot that much actually. I usually work from 9 to 5 every day, and take a couple of breaks in between, but I never like run hot or had any problems with my back or anything. It feels really comfortable sitting and using this chair. It's been only a couple of days, but I think it's gonna be great buy for me, and I highly recommend people who are looking for something not just soft but sturdy, also has some massage features, and has really good quality materials. And it's the looks as well. I think they have some other colors, but I didn't see them online, but I went with black, with kind of black is classic, so you can't go wrong with that. And I really love this color, also the design. It looks really cool. It almost looks like one of those racing seats inside the cars, but it also has that gaming feel to it. I don't do that much of a gaming, but this feels really nice having to work with this. So overall, I really like this chair, and highly recommend to whoever looking to buy one. And that's it for the video, guys. Thanks.